creating our classifier object. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. Okay, so we looked at our, let's see, dyslexia is striking in again, SVC object and all the arguments that go into it. So let's go ahead and create our first object right here. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time. So in this video, we're going to create the object. We're going to look at the fitting and the then predicting. But let's get the object done. So all right. So we need to create. We're creating an object, so we need to store this in a variable. So this is how I have this all brought in. And however you've brought this in, SVC, there we go. And as you can see right there, here are all our arguments. And what we're going to be working with right now is our kernel and our C object. So we're going to pass in capital C. This is case sensitive. So capital C, 1, and kernel. Yeah, I usually can't spell that right. And same thing with linear. All right, so close, run. All right, so CFL, boom, there's my object. Now let's go ahead and look at what all this object is. Oh, wow, this has a lot of things. Let's go ahead and run help on our classifier. Holy moly, there is, I don't even know if this will all fit, as the only downside to Spider is that it has a certain amount of space here. So all right, so the next two objects we're going to be creating are, because let's go through the steps and think about this. So dir on classifier. All right, so we want to then fit and then predict. So you might think, well, we want to predict first. Well, you don't, because fit is the training. So let's go ahead and look at this. So SLF. Let's run help on what is it? CLF dot fit. All right, let's see how I did not look. Here we go. All right. So fit is going to take an X and a Y, sample weight, and it's going to begin to create the array. So this is what I want you to think about. This is going to be taking our classifier line, our line with these arguments, and trying to find then the greatest distance, that margin that we did looking at that last formula several videos ago about trying to find the largest distance between our closest points. So I know that sounds weird, but that's what fit is going to do. And then after fit, then we're going to pass in help s dot predict. There we go. And then now that makes more sense. So that was the train. Fit is train. Then that's going to, then we're going to look at predict, and then we're just going to pass it 1. And then after that, then we're going to test. So that was why we split up all of our data into an X group of train X and Y. So input, output. Then you have a test. Then you're going to take your X, pass it in, see what output that gets, and then you're going to test that output against the Y. All right, so we're going to go slow, and I know this is a lot, and I know this can get very confusing very, very quickly. That's why we are doing our micro videos on this channel. There we go. All right, please jump over to the Discord server if you have any questions that you just want to ask and you don't want them to show up on the YouTube channel, and it's a better, faster way to communicate. But as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, video requests down below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.